Habitt City was the venue where Consul Fabrizio Bielli hosted the Culinary Master Class with Chef Vincenzo De Liso to celebrate the 10th edition of World Week of Italian Cuisine. Consul General, welcoming the guests, extended heartfelt gratitude to sponsors. The event attracted a distinguished audience, offering a unique opportunity to explore Italy's rich culinary heritage. Chef Vincenzo De Liso led a live demonstration entitled Gelato and Coffee. He emphasized the importance of promoting quality, artisanship, and innovation in the culinary world. The Consulate of Italy in Karachi remains dedicated to fostering cultural exchange and culinary excellence, celebrating the time-honored traditions of Italian cuisine while exploring opportunities for innovation and collaboration within the global food industry. Earlier, talking exclusively to News Pakistan TV, Chef Vincenzo De Liso said,
I left home when I was 17 years old, and then I started to travel to make experience in my job around the world. So I have spent over 23 years far away from my mother and from my father. It's a city town which is on the seaside. We have a lot of seafood plate specialty, but of course pizza it's come from Napoli. So this will be the first one who keep in mind to the people about when you talk about Napoli, you think about pizza. Masterclass is a way to express what I'm able to do and try to teach people that can do the same recipes at home or maybe in another kitchen. The last years, basmati rice has become quite popular because now we have a lot influence about the Asian cuisine. Well, until 10 years ago, we are very traditional, but now we are a little bit open to new kitchen, and then we also discovered this basmati rice and chicken with curry, all these exotic spices that come from Asia.